Happy Monday, Castle team. This is Katrina and Amanda here with this week's Castle Communication, where we are breaking barriers and building futures. First off, some updates. CAS makeups are this week. We are almost done. 5th grade's continuing to test, and then we have makeups that Kim and Jackie are working on. I've been distributing a list of makeups for your grade level and working on makeup dates with your team lead. Let us know if there's any students who have not completed their testing.
All right, our Barnyard musical developed by Becky Baker is happening this week for our primary students. Today, TK through 3rd grade will have a dress rehearsal at 1 o'clock in the multi-purpose room. Then immediately following the dress rehearsal is a primary assembly for TK through 3rd grades only at 1:30 in the multi-purpose room. And then she will be performing the program again for everybody at 5 o'clock on Thursday, May 17th before our open house.
All right, and then we have last chance for book fair today, Monday, May 14th. Get your books while you can.
End of year district testing is begun. Starting today, we have Star Reading and Math open for 1st through 6th grades. We also have Dibble testing for end of year starting today. And then tomorrow, May 15th, we have the interim 4 window opening for K through 6th grades.
All right, and then this Wednesday we have PLC. You guys can work on your leveling cards, the end of the year routines, and also prepare for open house.
This Friday, May 18th, is the last day of extended day for the year. It is also the last day for lab rotations and collaboration as we will be setting up for summer STEAM.
All right, some reminders. Looking at your end of the year checkout to-do list that we sent out last week, just some reminders for that. Your TEs can be checked in starting this Wednesday, May 16th. Please don't bring them up until that date, as Dawn's still closing out the book fair. If you are staying at Castle, Dawn only needs the bar-coded items. Please start completing your ranking sheets and your CUMEs. The ranking sheets are up here in the office. Awards lists for the following are due to Destiny by this Friday. The extracurricular awards done by the coordinator, science fair, battle of the books, oral language, sports, math field day, etc. Our April and May combined monthly awards are due. 4th quarter awards for honor roll and principals list, and then letters and stars. So all of that needs to go to Destiny by Friday. The fall supply orders are also due to Natalie. She will send out a sheet for that if she hasn't done so already. And then this is the final date to return library books and core lit. So all of that should be done by this Friday.
Open house is this Thursday, May 17th. There is a 1-hour early out for all students. There will be no extended day on Thursday. Please be on campus by 5:45 as open house begins at 6 p.m. Parents will go directly to your rooms.
And then we have the Whitley Professional Development Day this Friday. Please make sure that you have secured a substitute if you are part of the Whitley staff.
All right, for some shout outs, a big thank you to Becky Baker for the outstanding science fair spectacular performance. The kids and parents thoroughly enjoyed it.
And thank you so much to Kim, Jackie, Bree, and Jill for their continued support during testing. We could not have gotten all this done without their help.
A big shout out to our leadership team, Carolina, Kami, Jim Neal, Alyssa, Ashley, Grant, Anna, and Jamie, for finishing up our SBSA evaluation last week. Your insight was very valuable, and we will start making adaptations to the SBSA.
And then thank you, Natalie and Amanda Goodwin, for organizing our staff appreciation lunch from Olive Garden. It was delicious.
A big thank you to our specialists, Jamie, Shannon, Misty, Emilio, Cody, Tony, and Becky, for the continued work on the summer school curriculum.
And then thank you, Carolina, for working with our new K team to prepare for next year. We appreciate the time you put into planning that day.
And a big thank you to Amanda Goodwin for monitoring the CASP raffle. All right, Castle staff, thanks for listening. Please remember our 3 school priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture.